Hello, my name is Dennis Lee. I begin the interaction by pulling this trigger lever, which will start the train. It'll run through the tracks and hit the stack of books, so it'll create a domino effect and land on the power strip.
Hi, I'm James Arce, and these are my interactions. Well, this fan is turned on by the previous interaction and it inflates the bag. That bag pushes this piece of cardboard, which pushes this cup of marbles down the ramp going into the next interaction.
How's it going? I'm Mike Heredia. I am the third interaction here. We're going to start off with marbles coming down the ramp into my interaction. From there, it's going to hit the pulley system. The marbles are going to come into the little cup. It's going to pull the thread, which is going to move the ball forward. I'm going to use this stick, attach it up here, and it's going to push the CDs into the next interaction.
My name is Mike Chen. So what's going to happen here is the previous interaction is going to launch the slingshot and shoot the bottle cap into the binders and knock down the binders and move the dumb bar forward, which caused the bag of coins to drop on the ramp and make the ball go forward and hit the red button and it goes to the next interaction.
Yeah, my name is Francisco. We're team 2. I don't know if they mentioned it. This is my original design where I have this spiral pull it down. As soon as this car releases the ball goes around, hits this car, the car goes into this sort of elevator, pull this train, the string goes all the way around, and then hits the bottle, and the bottle gets the water into the bucket and goes to the next part of it.
Hi, my name is Richard Castellanos, and so basically it starts off with the soda, well I guess the water now pouring into the bucket. The bucket's going to slide down, hits the wooden block, and set off a chain of dominoes. Then it's going to start up the next interaction there.
Hi, my name is Levik. So basically on the project, so we have the 4 interaction, and then this is the first interaction. We're gonna pull the rope and then release the ball, and then the ball gonna hit the dominoes, and then the last dominoes, the bigger one, is gonna hit this one, and then this thing is gonna hit the ball and then fall on the cup, and then the whole mechanism is gonna pull this one and then release the car, which is the car is gonna go down and then hit on the 5th interaction.
So for our final kick, what we decided to do was use our table and a baseball bat, connect this end to Levik's car. What this car will do, come down, hit this piece, get enough force to pull the bat down, hit the ball, and the ball will go around 10-15 feet.
The only challenges I had were the books falling on the right place to hit the power strip. Other than that, there's no other problem. I wanted to take myself out of the equation by manually turning on the switch, so I designed this little trigger lever that'll give power to the train.
The only challenge that I faced in my project was having to push my initial idea of a piece of cardboard up a string and to push this cup of marbles. So I ended up putting it in a box and adding a plastic bag so that it'd be easy for just the marbles to go.
A few challenges that I had at the beginning of my project was the marbles weren't being caught into the cup. So we added this little piece right here so you could catch a good amount of marbles. It needs about six or seven marbles so that we could get the pulley system to work. But I did face a challenge here where the golf ball wasn't going towards the CDs. So what we did was we added these little, I guess these little bricks, if you can say, to go towards the CDs, and so they could hit our mini gun.
So the only challenge I had was originally I didn't have the dumb bar here, and the bag of coins would just drop too fast and destroy everything here. So I added a dumb bar here to slow it down.
Hi, I'm Frank, and this is little Frankie. One of the things that we changed were the mentals at the end didn't work, so we just fix it so that the water will fall into it without the whole interaction. Everything otherwise is been from the original design. This one was the one that gave us the most problem because it was hard to actually put it the way it is, so the ball will like fall exactly the way we want it. Mike, can I have the ball? As you can see now, it pretty much worked all the way around without a problem. That's it.
Okay, so originally I had a big like traffic sign thing here when the bucket was supposed to like swing under it, and it was supposed to originally set off like a basketball that was gonna hit a ball and set off a domino effect. But instead, I switched out for a step ladder, and so now the interaction kind of goes backwards and stuff. One of the other challenges was getting the angle right so the bucket will, there's just a little bit of resistance so it'll fall down at the right time.
Yeah, basically the challenges that I had from the beginning, it was the design. Because I did the whole design on the paper, and I wasn't sure with the height, with the length, and then with everything, the setup. So I started from the beginning of my design, and then I end up with like some of them are tall, some of them are shorter, and the whole thing didn't work. So again, I have to restart the redesign from the beginning. And then when I design it, so again, I purchase all the material, and then start like cutting them, and then like do some sewing, and then do some glue. And then after that, so I made it a little bit better. So at the end, I just do some extension in order to fit all the stuff together. And then basically, the whole challenge was like determining the height, and then how the ball gonna hit this thing, and then how all the process is gonna go until it release the car.